Canada. Is that a country? Yeah, it's Canada. Fucking thing. China.
Cheating.
Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young taller. I got custom drip, couple chicks, income checks.
Let's go. Jalo más speak fuego. I'm steady like David Gennaro. Pela men I'm from the ghetto. Now look at the key, yeah bro. Dalang bachela, ifilile chiga se skima bombelo yero. Domtona gangas marufuna selfie. Natora the picho que let's go. Lana waiting for the zap. Tell session I'm a fighter and we're in my club. Just want the piece on the pie. Shala simba.
Hola. Hola.
Hola mpenzi.
Hamba njani?
Ithada.
Ba deputy president of South Africa.
Kambe ubani baba sempumalanga ubani mabu ubani
Uyena.
ubani mabuya
Mashatile.
Uyena.
Support by Adile. Okay, Adile, name 2 countries aqala ngo letter J.
Japan and it's Japan and Jamaica, yeah, Jamaica.
Okay, please name 2 countries aqala letter C.
Canada. Is that a country? Yeah, it's Canada. Fucking thing. China. China.
Okay. What is the highest amount that you've ever spent on a date?
On a date, about 4K.
4K! 4K, Casey. Okay, please name 2 countries aqala ngo letter Z.
Z, Zimbabwe and Zambia.
Away. Abaja.
You just want to this?
Yeah, I'm for it.
Oh.
No, I'm busy. I'm a fighter and we're in my club. Just want the piece of the pie. Shall I see one with the guys? I ain't switching no side. Speed on 180, they thinking I'm racing. Now I don't race, it's the paper I'm dressing. Because if you get a cut to them, I said it, the body gets scary.
Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young taller.
Cool. So tell me, ngokucabanga kwakho why do girls cheat?
Ucabanga ukuthi
Why do girls cheat?
Why girls cheat? It's a multivariate analysis issue.
Yeah.
It depends on the person. But for the most part, it's just wanting to get experience.
Umuntu blind ukhuluma iphi language?
Whatever they were born into.
Away. Please name 2 countries aqala ngo letter B.
Brazil and Bangladesh.
Away. Please name 2 countries aqala ngo letter E.
Ethiopia, Eritrea.
Or Egypt. Always. Okay. Cheers.
Bangladesh.
Exolisa bandla ngenzela ama copyrights ngibona.
Yazi ngibonile letithathela lapha.
Okay, tell me, who's the deputy president of South Africa?
deputy.
President of South Africa.
I'm not going to lie, man. When it comes to politics,
Names two countries eqala ngo letter E.
England.
Egypt, Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Please name two countries eqala ngo letter C, mami.
C.
Hayi mami.
Colombia.
Hayi bafo.
Hayi bokho.
Yeah, Colombia, sure.
Yeah.
And
Uthe country or city?
yeah, countries aqala ngo letter C. Colombia.
Colombia.
Colombia. Yeah.
Wafethu China.
Oh yeah, China.
Congo.
Kodwa first wasithola nje how.
Okay, now mbuzo wakho.
Unexpected.
Why do girls cheat? Ucabanga kwakho.
Ukunganeliseki. Ufuna more.
Funa more.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Kanjani?
Like
Yeah, kanjani.
owamumbuza
Alright. Kanjani?
First thing first, ne? Ukuthi like uzobona izinto ezenzelwa omunye umuntu wesifazane and then uzoyi expect ukuthi ne partner yakho ikwenze ko. That's when uzothola ukuthi sekuba khona cheating. And two, communication, it's a key.
Oh,
Yes. Relationship, because if you communicate, you understand, that's when it inking. Yes.
So I'm keeping cheating a good date.
Yes, I'll do that if ngimthanda.
Makuthiwa akakaza keeping yaqala nejolo ngamkhipha mase ku days.
Yes, ngamkhipha.
Why?
Because I love him.
Oh, okay.
Uthando, it's not about money. Yes, when you love someone, do whatever to show that person that you love.
Okay, what is the capital city? What is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Capital
City of KwaZulu-Natal.
Capital city of KwaZulu-Natal.
Durban.
Durban. Yeah.
PMP.
Yes. Usandula la. Yini ngantela phezulu. Uyayiphuza Red Bull?
What?
Ngina uyifisula la. Ayi lapha.
Sawubona. What is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal? Ay, ukangidakela wena. Jens, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Capital city of KwaZulu-Natal.
Sure.
PMP.
Avele baba nje cha phezi.
Qala.
Okay, machitsa ayachitsa vele nama?
Kakhulu.
No, kakhulu.
Cheese.
No, kakhulu.
No, no, kuyachithwa nje. Too much.
Wait, are you asking about us specifically?
Yeah,
or guys in
machitsa
general?
ayachitsa nyam.
Yes, they do.
Too much.
Yes.
Mawucabanga why?
Lack
Selfish.
of being satisfied. I don't know.
Selfish.
It's not necessarily selfishness. Ufuna ukuzwinto nje.
Sure.
Oh yeah, no, wait. It's like you can't have beef for fucking 20 days. You have to have chicken
Selfish.
at some point.
Selfish.
Ukuba selfish ne. Mama ukhuluma ngebeef nechicken usho okholele kumshado.
Mina? Angishadanga nje.
Yena why ungashadi?
Mama esangweni ngathi uthething ice cream.
Nje
Ulanda uka-cream. Acclaim.
wasuza lakithi.
Ngizegarage, ngizetheke egarage.
Hayi uhamba isikhathi eside.
Owe, what up?
Ngakala ngatripa baba bona bakala bapi